Today we are here with a great strategy, and here we are going to share a new strategy with you. You can follow this strategy to analyze the market, and it gives very good feedback, so hopefully it will bring a great change in your career. Please watch the video patiently, because here we use several indicators to analyze and show you how to follow them and take entries, so you have to watch the video carefully to understand better. Anyway, we will show you how to set up these indicators, how to use them, how to analyze, and how to take entries. So hello viewers, hope you all are well. I am an official member of Forex BD. In today's video, we will show you the analysis with the help of some indicators, that is, we will use multiple indicators and show analysis with the help of it. That's why we need to set up some indicators including EMA, CCI, Poki, and Super Trend Indicator. After setting up these 4 indicators, we need to make some settings. First, we will search by typing EMA indicator and it will come up, then after clicking once it will be set up, then search by typing Super Trend, then this indicator will come up, then after clicking once it will be done, then similarly, we will set up Poki and CCI indicator. Hope you can do it. You can see we are setting up. We set up the 4 indicators, but now we need to do some setting. We will make some settings. At the beginning, I set the EMA indicator. Here just come to the input option and set the length to 50. I am again saying that the length will be 50. Then we will set the CCI indicator. So come to the settings option, and here we will set up the column instead of the line option above. Clicking here will bring up all the options from which you have to select the column. The next thing to do is to remove the middle band and background. Just remove the tick mark and it will work. This is the end of the work, but if you want, you can change the color or change the size of the line. We have done our work. Then we have to set the Poki indicator, but you should be aware of which indicator we have set up. Its full name is Poki Buy and Sell, Take Profit and Stop Loss. Be sure to see what we set up. If you can't find it, watch the video and set it up. We need to do some setting. For that, I come to the setting option, then remove all the tick marks from there. I say again, remove all the tick marks that are there, then nothing else has to be done. So far the setting is done. We have set up all the indicators and then done the setting. Now it is the turn of the analysis. First, let's talk about how to take a buy entry. There are some rules to follow for taking a buy entry, as here are the 4 indicators we will follow. The first of these is to get a buy signal from the Poki indicator. You can see somewhere written S in red color on the side of the candle, and somewhere written B in green color. It means buy, that is, B means buy, so this sign is giving a signal to go uptrend. S stands for sell, which means the market is signaling to go downtrend. If you notice one more thing, you will see that there is an arrow symbol with this text, which means that it indicates which direction the market will go. S stands for sell and the arrow symbol is downward, so you can easily understand which direction the market will go. So to take buy entry, you need to take buy signal from the Poki indicator. Whenever you see the B sign below the candle, then it gives a buy signal. That means the market is giving signals to go up. The next criterion is that the market should be above the 50 EMA. That means above the moving average. Then the third thing is that at that time, there should be a green line on the Super Trend indicator. For example, you can see a red line at this place, then you can see a green line at this place. So the red line in the Super Trend indicator means that the market will go into a downtrend, and the green line means that the market will go into an uptrend. And lastly, the market should not be in an overbought position on the CCI indicator. That means the market cannot go into an overbought position. You can definitely see the columns here, and you can see 2 horizontal lines above and below it. Then when the columns crosses the upper horizontal line, it means that the market is in overbought position, and when these columns crosses the lower horizontal line, it means that the market is in oversold position. and we all know about overbought and oversold. So since we will take buy entry, we have to make sure that the market is not in an overbought position, because if the market is in an overbought position, then it doesn't make sense to take buy entry at that moment, because already the market has come far in uptrend. These were the total 4 criteria. If you see this, then you can safely take the entry. You can see on the chart that there is a position, and here if we look at the CCI indicator, we can see that the market has not gone to the overbought position. Then in the moving average, we can see the market is above the moving average. Then we see the green line on the super trend indicator, which means the market will go into an uptrend. And lastly, if we look at the Poki indicator, then we can see here is written B, which means the market will go up. Then you can take entry very easily from this position. We will take an entry from here and show you what kind of feedback this analysis gives. Thus entry can be easily taken from here, and you can see that the market has gone uptrend. But whenever you see a buy signal on the Poki indicator, you will analyze with the help of the rest of the indicators, because if you take an entry after receiving the signal from the Poki indicator, you will miss many pips. That is why you should use this indicator at the beginning. That is, whenever you get a buy or sell signal from this indicator, then do the analysis with the help of the rest of the indicators. Hope you can follow this way. How can you take a sell entry if you want? You have to follow the reverse. We will also show that we will follow all in reverse for taking a sell entry. At the beginning, we will take the help of Poki indicator. There must be a sell signal. That is, S must be written. Then we will take the help of CCI. There the market cannot be in an oversold position. That is, if the market is not in an oversold position, then it is okay. Then you can do analysis through the super trend and moving average one by one. But in this case, the market should be below the moving average and the super trend indicator should have a red line, as we will take sell entry. Here we see such a placement. We are getting a sell signal from the Poki indicator at the moment. Then the CCI indicator did not cross the oversold line of the market. That is, the market has not yet entered an oversold position. Then the market is below the moving average as well as the red line on the super trend indicator. Then it's an ideal placement to pick up a sell. If an entry is taken from here, then let's see what kind of reaction the market gives. Surely you can see that the market is in a downtrend. So you can follow this if you want. This is a very good analysis, and here you can analyze by using several indicators, and hopefully get very good feedback from here. Since it is a bit critical, watch the video first and watch it carefully, then you can analyze it yourself by setting it up in the same way, but you will definitely get good feedback. So those who are looking for a good analysis should follow it.
We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house or payment gateway. You must use the Forex BD's link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that Forex BD can meet your needs all the time.